Some political news now. The ruling BJP in Karnataka found itself mired in a controversy after a CD purportedly showing Water Resource Minister Ramesh Jarkiholi with a woman in a compromising position. Social activist Dinesh Kalahalli, who released the CD, filed a complaint alleging that the minister had lured this woman on the pretext of providing a government job. The victim's family had approached the activist seeking justice. However, Ramesh Jarkiholi has claimed innocence and called this a political conspiracy. Karnataka Congress Chief D.K. Shivakumar meanwhile has said that Jarkiholi is making corruption charges against the Chief Minister on tape and that must be proved. Congress party also staged protests against Jarkiholi. Jarkiholi is among the 17 MLAs, remember, who had switched over from the Congress and JDS last year to help the BJP come to power in the state of Karnataka.
ಒಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಇದು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇಕ್ ಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಪಾಪ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿ ನೌಕರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಮಗ್ರವಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊಂಟೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ KPTCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಿರುಕುಳನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಿಂಗಿ ಕಿರುಕುಳ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಭಾಳ ನೋವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇವ್ರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ, ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ವಕೀಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಸುದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮತ್ತು CD ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
only issue of any sex scandal or any affair or any issue. I could see yesterday night the minister has allied that the Honorable Chief Minister is corrupt. This is the Chief Minister has to first reply. Tomorrow the assembly starts. Mr. Yediyurappa is more sensible leader. The BJP leaders also feel that they are running the country, they are more sensible. Let us see. We leave it to them. It is their court.
I hope if there is any values in public life, the Chief Minister, Mr. Yediyurappa, should take his resignation immediately. It is the most corrupt government ever Karnataka had.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವರದಿ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಅದರ ಸತ್ಯಾಸತ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಮುಜುಗರ ತರುವಂಥ ಸಂಗತಿಯನ್ನು. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಚ್ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ನಾಯಕರನ್ನವರಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ನೈತಿಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರಬೇಕನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ನಾಯಕರ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವೂ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಅನುಮಾನವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಂತದ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Nagarjun Dwarkanath is getting us more details. He joins us from Bengaluru for more on that. Nagarjun, there's been a conversation within the government also to, in fact, get Ramesh Jarkiholi to resign because this is extremely embarrassing. Also, just to tell us, where are the investigations headed given the fact that a formal complaint has been registered with the police in Bangalore?
Well, at this point of time, what we are picking up from our Delhi sources within the BJP High Command is that this morning they spoke with few leaders, with state and the central High Command, and they're of an opinion that the minister should resign and then investigation can continue. Otherwise, starting assembly session from tomorrow, the opposition will jump onto the treasury benches and corner the government during the budget session, and it would be embarrassing for the government is what they feel. Thus, they want the minister to resign and maybe come back later after the investigation is done. Today there's also a cabinet session, crucial cabinet meeting that will happen. Maybe in this meeting they will take a call, and before tomorrow's session they might ask Ramesh Jarkiholi's resignation is what we are picking up from our sources. But in terms of the complaint update is that the complaint has been filed in Kaban Park police station in the central zone limits of Bangalore city, but no FIR has been registered. The police say that we are looking for the girl. Once we record the statement of the victim and the woman, and only then the FIR will be registered. We are in touch with the RTI activist who has filed the complaint and asking him to get us in touch with the woman so that we can register a complaint through her and also record her statement is what the police are saying. Home Minister also has said that fair and thorough investigation will be done, and also this case will go to a conclusion conclusion is what the Home Minister has said. So we'll have to wait and watch in the next 48 hours. There might be a resignation of a big minister coming from Karnataka.
All right, important developments there. Nagarjun, thanks for getting us up to speed.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.